Hello everybody! Welcome! Today, this is the best day ever! I'm at my mom's school and you better have to subscribe. If I get 67 subscribers, I'm going to blow out and go to the Philippines. Thank you.
Yo, what's up, guys? You know me?
Yeah.
You know me. I am Christoph Corner. Subscribe now on my channel and Sam's channel. We still didn't face reveal yet.
Yep.
If you want us to face reveal, how many subscribers and will you face reveal?
I will face reveal in 75 subscribers.
No, 67 subscribers.
67 subscribers or more, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much. How do I stop it?
And then, wait.